Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shabnam Chaudhary and I'm from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School, Vashi. In this video, I'm going to teach you a small and very interesting topic, and that is from Standard 5th. Now, Zoya and Asha are two friends living in the same village. One day, a balloon seller comes in their village. Look, Zoya, so many balloons. Yes, Asha. Both friends bought a few balloons. Now, will you tell me how many balloons they have altogether? Correct, 7. So, student, today we are going to learn about addition. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to add 6 or 7 digits number, and also you will be able to solve word problem based on that. Now, addition means to put things together. Addition means combining. Addition means joining. Now, let's look at this example. Now we have to add both the number. That means 42,311 add with 65,36,624. Now you have to arrange the number as per the place value. As earlier I told you, you have to start from the unit place. So first here the place values table, and I have written all the place value in a proper place: unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here 6 digit number is there and also 7 digit number is there. So according to that, I have written here the place value table. So quickly I will write all the numbers. First number, the unit is 1, then 3, then 2, then 4. Similarly for the next one, unit is 4, tens is 2, 100 is 6, 1000 is 6, 10,000 3, then 5, then 6. Addition is very simple. So 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. Then 5 and then 6. Now have a look at this next example. Again, both the numbers are 6 digit. So according to that, here the table of place value with proper plus sign and all the place values name over here. Now you have to write all the digit in the proper place. Arrange, you have to arrange all the number, all the digit as per the place value. Here the second one. Now it's simple, you have to do the addition. Now 9 plus 3 is 12. Now what you will going to write? 9 plus 3 is 12. So you have to write 2 below 3 and 1 will carry in the next column, that is in the tens. So as you can see here. Now again do the addition. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Similarly 5 plus 6 is 11. So what you will going to do? You will write 5 plus 6, 11, 1 below the 6 and the next 11 in the next column. That is, you can see here. Now addition, answer is 12. Same procedure you have to follow. Then 2 and then last one, again 3 plus 8 is 11. So here 1 you will write below 8 and 1 in the next column, that is in the 10 lakhs column, and here write the 1 comes down. It's very simple now. Now again this is the next sum. Now I have written. If you want, you can solve directly. No need to prepare the table also. You can add the numbers directly. But compulsion and the important thing is you have to write the correct number or digit in the proper place or in the correct place value. Plus sign, then underline. Now you have to add both the numbers. Now these two sums you have to do on your own. In the earlier one, what we have learned, we see the addition of two numbers. Now here the addition of three numbers. The first one is 2654, then you have to add with 71,209, and the third one is 5,03,789. Method is same. You have to write each digit in the proper place. You have to arrange the numbers in the proper place. Here the first one, first number, then the second one, the third one. Now addition. So quickly we are going to add this number. The first unit place addition is 2. So 2 will be below the 9 and the 2 carry with the next column. Then 15, then 6. The method of addition is same for all types of number. Whether it is you have to add 3 times, whether you have to add 4 times, the method is same. Now you can add in this way also. Look at this example also. Here again. Now these two sums you have to do on your own. It's up to you. While doing a grouping, or you have to do by the ungrouping. Now, little bit difficult word problems. So I will read the question for you. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled all together? As you can see here, the last word, all together. The meaning of all together means addition. So here if you want, we can use the another word for addition, that is all together. So student, while solving the word problem, what you have to do, you have to divide your answer or solution into 3 parts. The first part is given, second addition part, and the third one is answer. So here you can write the given. So I will write this for you. Now according to the information you have to write. Here the information is about women and men. So vote cast by women. Then you are going to write about the men. This is our first step, not the third, first step. Then second step is addition. Quickly we will going to do the addition. Now after addition, this is our second part is over. Now the third and the important is statement. So in the question it is asked how many votes were polled all together. So according to that we have to write the answer. 27,76,686 votes were polled all together. Have a look at the next one. What will be the sum of the smallest and the largest 6-digit number? Here the number is not written, but you have to write. So first part is given. First you will going to write the largest 6-digit number here. Then you are going to write the smallest 6-digit number. First part is over. Second part is your addition, and after addition, here the answer comes with a statement. Look at the next example. Here the given is written. Then you have to add. You can add this number and afterwards you can check your answer. Here I have written the answer also for you. Now in this question you have to write what is given and final answer I have written. That means I have done the first and second step you have to write, and I have written the third step, that is the final answer. This is homework for you. Now let's have some fun with this number. Here I have done some mistake and you have to rectify my mistake. As you can see here, my question is I have to add 235 with 45,569, and I have written my addition in this way. Now I have add both the numbers. here my answer. Now will you tell me my method of writing is correct or wrong, or my answer is right or wrong? You have to identify that. Got it? Yes. The main mistake what I have done here, the unit place number is 5 for the first number, and then for the next number the unit place number is 9. So according to my convenience I have written anywhere. No, that is the wrong method. Whether the number contain 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, always start with unit place only. Second sum. Now again you have to find my mistake. What a mistake I've made over here. I've written the number in the proper place. My addition is right. So the mistakes, yes, correct. First I have to add 9 plus 3 is 2. That is 12. Then next I have to carry that 1. But why I have done the mistake? In the tens place what I have written 2 plus 4 is 6 and forgot about the 1. So here my mistake is that. So this is the correct answer. Third. Okay, my addition is right. I have arranged the number in the proper place. But what's the mistake over here? Yes, plus sign. The important. Always remember, student, while doing any kind of operation means multiplication, division, subtraction, additions, put proper sign and the correct sign. Then only you will be able to know what operations you are going to do with that numbers. Here the next question, my addition. Now I have written write the addition sign also. I have written the answer correctly, but still there is some mistake. Yes, according to my convenience I have written 761 anywhere, and where the empty places are I have written the 00. That means wrong. So this is the correct way of writing the answer. Hope you understood how to add the 6 or 7 digit number along with the word problem.